Hello there everyone, we are seeing currently that S&P 500 is crashing. What a beautiful down move. While in Bitcoin, we actually have such a beautiful, absolutely beautiful, magnificent up move. Now, what is happening? What is the reasoning for this? And why did the title read, I am out? Is this clickbait? And the answer is no, guys. As you might remember, we've had this long trade over on Bitcoin for quite some time. This $700,000 long. That it's about time to get out of it with 45,000 bucks. So there we go. Thank you very much. And the profit has been taken. So I am out of this leveraged long trade. But of course, I'm not out of my Bitcoin spot holdings. I'm never gonna sell my Bitcoin, guys. So don't even scream at me in the comments. Karens, etc. Out. Out. So anyway, nice profit. But now let me explain why am I out of this long trade. There is a very good reason why. Now, first things first, let's have a look at what is happening. And of course, guys, if you want to be trading on Bybit yourself, I personally trust Bybit. I've been trading millions of dollars back and forth with Bybit. With my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can actually claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. And also you can get really amazing crypto education, not trading education, not my famous program, but crypto investing education claimable in my Discord channel. Link down in the description to this channel, down in the description to this video. And also you become part of this community. This is where I post all of my trades and the trades of my team. Amazing place to be, incredible bonuses. And the only thing that Bybit does require KYC, and I suggest you do it because every exchange will require it sooner or later. But if you cannot do it for some reason, then BitGet in select countries does not have KYC. And there is a link to BitGet down in the description of this video. Now, quickly, a lot of people are starting to turn very, very bullish. And I'm going to express my opinion as to what is happening and the reason why I think that this is happening. Like Robert Kiyosaki, he's saying that gold will soon break through $2,100 and then take off. And you will wish you had bought gold below 2,000 and blah, blah, blah. And then he's going to say that Bitcoin is going to be going to 135,000 as the next stop. And certainly, I do believe that this is going to be the case long term. But short term, I think we are in for more volatility. In my personal humble opinion, I think we're going to be going far beyond $135,000. I mean, look at what happened at the fake spot Bitcoin news. Bitcoin went up from 28 to 31 in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. So yeah, I mean, 135 is more than reasonable. But overall, I don't believe it's going to be happening immediately. So what is causing this up move right now? Why is it looking so beautiful? Like, this is how I built my trade. Like one of the previous trades, I think we were building here. Then we actually pumped to the upside, and this is where we exited. And then I was building, I don't know, I was building it right here, then we exited right here, and I was building another long trade right here, and then we just got out right here. So by the way, guys, call me Mr. Spot down in the comments, and this is important because every single trade I've posted on YouTube, the bigger trade and the one that I've been taking together with you guys, ended up being a profit. Every single one this year. This year, I haven't posted a single trade on YouTube that didn't end up being a profit. Ha! So call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments, and join my free Discord channel, link down in the description of this video. This is where we also post larger trades and some smaller trades, mostly like small scalp trades. Those are sometimes profitable, sometimes negative. This is like super hyperactive. But here on YouTube, I just post bigger trades, and this year, every single one was a profit. Insane. And I personally made like $300,000 just on YouTube, just with these big trades, plus everything we've made in Discord. Incredible. So right now, why do I believe that we are the reason why I'm getting out of this long trade right now? Same logic as it was with this trade that we've built and that we got out of right here. Same precise logic, because I think a bit more short-term than Kiyosaki, even though I think that this whole up move was generated potentially by this whole candle right here. As you might remember, the fake spot Bitcoin ETF news, and this is what it was caused by. And then the price finally pumped because people are starting to realize what it is. People are starting to realize how powerful the up move will be once spot Bitcoin ETF comes out. And they're just starting to front run it a bit because it is literally around the corner, maybe within weeks, maybe within months. And I think that this actually psychologically could have caused it. Plus we had, a huge deficiency here, so they needed to grab some liquidity. So for this reason, I think that this is the reason why it's happening right now. And we also broke this resistance, which came in at right here, which was quite important for us, 29,700. We retested it from above, and now we're actually testing the upper resistance. We're going to be testing like 31,000 bucks. So this is very important resistance for us. And this is not just important resistance for us. This is also resistance for the market makers. And this is what we've been talking about, guys. Look, I showed you this before. But before I come back to this chart and I'm going to show you something else, I wanted to remind you that also what is, in my opinion, going to be very important, and I'm not going to be taking, probably I'm not going to be taking any trades until we see what is happening here. Again, small short-term trades, again, still in Discord, link down description in this video, we're going to be taking up and down and up and down. That's fine. But I mean bigger trade, because I really want to understand how the narrative is going to start to play out. So PCE, October 27th, so a couple of days, we really want to see what's going to happen because the forecast that is going to drop. So we really want to see what is going to happen with it. And also, the decision on the interest rates, next FOMC meeting is happening in a week, November 1st. This is very important because this is what we need liquidity. We need Powell to soften, finally. So, and again, doubtfully this is going to happen on November the 1st, but who knows. So next week is going to be incredibly important when it comes to inflation and Powell and liquidity, etc. So therefore, right now, we're actually standing, as I told you before, and I'm going to update you, so subscribe and hit that notification bell, that the levels for market makers. This has been an incredible level, and I was adding to my long trade right here. I was adding to my long trade right here, and I said that this is a huge support level for market makers. I said that this is the balance area, 28K, and we got rejected from it. Right here, we got rejected from it. Right here, we actually finally broke on this fake spot Bitcoin ETF news. We broke it, and now we are retesting the upper liquidity level for market makers. And very good chance they might try to push it down to like 29. So this is just a very important level for them. Take it with a grain of salt. Can we push through it? Yeah, for this reason, I'm holding a shit ton of Bitcoin. But when it comes to my trades, I'm taking trades on probabilities. So I'm building a long trade, and then I'm exiting at very important market maker resistance, which is more or less just smart money concept. So this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm preparing for. And we've just taken a beautiful profit. So congratulations to those of you who believed in my analysis and in what I've been saying, because I've been telling you this for so long inside this whole move. So call me Mr. Spot On, and guys, we're going to be soon announcing this huge product on retro drops, which is going to enable you to make 5 to 10x of your money regardless of where Bitcoin goes within 12 months. It's crazy. It's the craziest opportunity, but the window for this opportunity is closing. There is a link down description in this video as well as in the pinned comment to this website right here, Wolf of Retro Drops. You need to join the waiting list. Click join waiting list if you want to be actually learning what retro drops are, how you can use them at home and actually make 5 to 10x on your money algorithmically and almost automatically. It's insane, but it's only going to work until it goes mainstream. So we have about 12 months to do this. Join on the waiting list. Everything is there, all the education, all the files, etc. It will become part of our inner community. After you join the waiting list, fill out this form, and then you will choose if you want to become part of Telegram or WhatsApp. So jump in immediately. I'll see you there. I'm personally in there as well. Peace and love, and check out this video right here where I've interviewed two guys. One is 18 years old, another is 21 years old, who made $80,000 this year on retro drops. Crazy real life story. And here, check it out. And as always, peace and love. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.